I just finished up using the Weldforce 210 by Weldclass. I was really impressed with the quality. Settings went smooth, the welds were good, they looked good.
G'day, here we have the Weldforce 210mst by Weldclass. This is a multi-function gas and gasless MIG, stick and TIG inverter welder. While the majority of single-phase welders in the range of $1,000 to $3,000 currently come from China, this machine is made in Italy and is the result of 60 years of European technology and manufacturing experience. That's why it comes with a market-leading 4-year warranty and a 30-day money-back satisfaction guarantee for complete peace of mind. This machine offers an impressive 210 amp maximum output, capable of MIG welding up to 10mm thick material. A great machine for operators looking for something that's easy to operate, powerful, very portable, and suitable for running off 10 amp or 15 amp single phase power. An excellent choice for site and field work, general workshop fabrication and repair or light production.
There's a unique feature that makes this a very flexible 2-in-1 machine. A unique dual input mode allows a 210mst to operate off either 10 amp or 15 amp power supply. So whatever your power supply options are now, or might be in the future, instead of having to decide between a smaller output machine designed for 10 amp or a higher output 15 amp machine, you can opt for both with the 210mst. In 15 amp mode, the maximum MIG output is 210 amps, and in 10 amp mode, the maximum MIG output is 170 amps. It is factory fitted with a 10 amp plug for use on 10 amp mode and standard household power, or can be easily switched to 15 amp mode for use on 15 amp outlets to provide the full output of up to 210 amps. And good news, if you ever need to take this machine off the grid, you can run it off a generator, minimum recommended size 7 kVA or ideal size 10 kVA or more. The 210mst can run a wide range of MIG wires, including solid steel, gasless or flux cord, stainless steel, aluminium, bronze, sometimes called MIG brazing, and even hard facing. You have the option of standard manual MIG mode, where you set the voltage and wire feed manually, or switch to Synergic mode, where you tell the machine what type and wire size you're using, and then what thickness material you're welding, and it will set the voltage and wire feed parameters for you automatically. Here's how the Synergic function works. Firstly, select the wire type and thickness. There's a handy list of these on the user guide inside the wire compartment door. Then just dial up the material thickness and start welding. It's that easy. And if you're one of those welders who likes to get into the technical detail, there's more MIG adjustments to play with, including soft start adjustment, inductance control, burn back adjustment, post gas time, 2T, 4T trigger function, and spot welding timer. One of the standout features of the 210mst is the torch. Too often, smaller MIG welders like this are supplied with cheap, light-duty torches that are prone to overheating. This not only destroys the torch, but also causes wire jamming and other issues. And if you're welding with gasless wire, this problem can be magnified even further because there is no gas flowing through the torch to help cool it. The good news here is that the 210mst is supplied with a heavy-duty European-made 250 amp torch which will handle anything that this machine can throw at it. And while this torch is heavy-duty, it's also very easy to handle thanks to the ergonomic grip and highly flexible European cable. In addition, the 210mst has a Euro-style torch connection, which is the same as used on heavy industrial machines. This is superior to direct connect or hard-wired torch systems, which are sometimes seen on other portable MIG welders. The Euro connection is more robust, allows the torch to be easily disconnected and serviced, and allows heavier duty torches to be used. Let's take a look at the wire feeder compartment. The 210mst will fit 200mm 5kg spools or the smaller 100mm 1kg mini spools. The wire feed unit, also made in Italy, is a robust, proven and reliable design. Now, moving into stick welding mode, the 210mst will run most types of stick electrodes up to 3.2mm, including steel, low hydrogen, stainless, hard facing and more. VRD safety feature comes as standard, which allows you to use this machine on work sites where VRD is mandatory. And If you want to fine tune arc characteristics, you've also got the option of adjusting hot start and arc force. In TIG mode, you can weld steel, stainless, copper and chrome moly up to approximately 3mm max thickness. And one more great feature of the 210mst, it boasts a protection rating of IP23, which means that it offers superior protection against moisture and foreign particles for increased reliability and making it ideal for Australia's harsh conditions.
Now at Weldclass, we like to be upfront about our products so that you can understand clearly if it will fit your needs or not. On this note, here's a couple of points to keep in mind.
1. The 210mst is not spool gun compatible. If you need this feature, we recommend the Weldforce 210mst or the 205mst models. 2. Like any DC welder, this machine is not suitable for TIG welding aluminium. For this, you will need an AC/DC machine such as the Weldforce 202T. That said, you can certainly MIG weld aluminium and also TIG weld steel and stainless. Here's what comes with every 210mst. Inside the wire feeder door, we have an easy to follow reference guide, which includes information on machine settings, spare parts, welding tips and more. It also comes with a 4m 250A European made heavy duty MIG torch, earth lead, a high quality European made gas regulator, gas hose, drive rollers for 0.6, 0.8 and 0.9 solid steel wires, drive rollers for 0.8, 0.9 and 1.2 gasless wires, and a selection of different tip sizes ready for you to start welding.
Well, the Italians made the Ferraris and they were pretty good quality. You could probably compare this to a Ferrari welder. You could probably say that.
Weldclass, providing every welder and metal fabricator with world-class tools and equipment that consistently deliver the satisfaction of a job well done. Weldclass, be outstanding.